Welcome back. I'm at Warbian Cave Campground, and I thought this might be a good time for me to properly do a review for the WestWind Moto 40-liter Rackless system. WestWind Moto is a new kid on the block, and it's packed with value that could really shake up the adventure luggage game. And trust me, there's a lot more to like here than just the looks. And personally, I think this system falls into the sweet spot between value and premium. This might just be the most practical system available for the adventure rider. For this Enduro 40 Rackless Luggage system review, I will break it into the three parts: the Rackless modular design, material and build quality, and of course, how it's priced compared to the big names brands. I've been searching for a perfect system for a while now. My goal was to find a system that is both sturdy, easy to use, and most importantly, it has to be price competitive, so I don't have to take on a personal loan just to buy them. On my last trip with a 450 MT on Outback, I was out camping in the bush, fully loaded with gears, and honestly, that's when it hit me, just how important a solid luggage system really is. Because when you are riding hours on the highway, then bouncing down rocky trails, or trying to cross a river, the last thing you want to worry about is your bags coming loose. I've experimented a few setups and compared notes with some cheaper or more premium design, and dare I say, I found the almost perfect one. Now, let's be honest. In the motorcycle community, the word premium usually don't link together with the word cheap. Premium usually come with a hefty price tag. But after using this bag for almost 2 months now, there's only two words coming to my mind when I'm describing these bags. So I first come across WestWind Moto was when I'm preparing for my Outback trip. I ordered those Crushbar bag for less than $100. Honestly, I wasn't expecting too much, but when they arrived, I was genuinely surprised by the quality and the material they are using for those bags. Those Crushbar bags are made from a durable, waterproof fabric. They are internal support so the bags hold their shape even when empty. I dropped a few times when the bag is mounted, but it still holds up just fine. That experience got me curious about their bigger luggage system. Although I was originally looking at the Moscow Moto Rackless setup, I decided to give WestWind Moto a shot, so I reached out to them. 1 week later, a massive box showed up at my door. Inside the box, that's everything I need to set it up. The base system, 2 baskets attached to the supporting base panel, a pair of 20-liter dry bags, and even a heat shield to protect the bag if they sit close to the exhaust. Installation was actually really straightforward too. There are just 4 buckles that attach into the preset loops on the base, and the positions are easy to adjust depending on different bikes. Once I had the base assembled, I placed it over the seat and looped the rear strap around the luggage rack. For the front strap, I used the passenger full mount. Then I tightened everything up using the provided buckle strap to hold down the actual strap. Both dry bags slide into the basket really easy. There's even a pull loop at the bottom of each dry bag to help guide them in smoothly. After that, I just went around once more to make a few small adjustments and tighten everything up. And that's it, the installation is done. Let's start with the design. As you can see, it's a really clean and minimalistic setup. Only 4 mounting points, so it's easy to take it on and off, and it will fit a wide range of bike styles. Personally, I think it's a simple design that will hold up well in a tougher riding condition. Exactly what we wanted for adventure and enduro travel. Looks-wise, it's very sharp looking, the stitching is very clean, the bikes hold their shape even when they are half full, and the material has the premium shine and the sunlight. There are 2 color options. I went with the desert brown because I think the color really pops and fits perfectly with the terrain I usually ride. I've tested how it mounts with the factory rear rack and it actually worked out okay. Problem was the stock grabbing rail getting in the way, causing the bike sticking out a lot. So eventually I removed the OEM rack and installed the WestWind rack designed for the 450MT. Not only does it fit perfectly, it actually looks great too. That said, if you have other luggage rack installed, that should work out just fine. Now, about the space, 40 liter isn't massive. I'll admit I like to bring a lot of comfort gear when I was camping. But the truth is, if I want to ride challenging trails, I need to be able to pack light. The 40 liter size will force me to cut unnecessary stuff. The dry bags are long enough to fit a bulky item like a lightweight 2-person tent, a camping chair, or even a small table. There are multiple mounting points for me to play. I've also added some molly pouch on the bike. There are also options to add additional 3 liter bags from WestWind Moto. And that's why I love this setup. It's modular and have the ability to expand. Next up, the material and the build quality. According to their website, the main fabric is 1618D nylon, which is a very thick and strong base fabric. It is tear resistant and very durable with a waterproof coating to the base fabric, then reinforced with Hepalon at a high stress point. The buckles and fasteners look like aluminium. They feel solid. Other small touches like Velcro to tidy up loose straps, removable Velcro pads, and they provided multiple mounting options for different style of bikes. I've been riding with those bikes for 2 months through rains, mud, and even a couple of tip over on a muddy trail, and they've held up without a scratch. Now the long-term durability is something we'll only know after a couple of years of use. But here comes the big plus. Not only WestWind offer a lifetime warranty against any defect, there's also a lifelong ride protection. Just like Moto, there will be a free repair after a crash to restore it back to the full function, or if the bike is beyond repair, a 50% discount on a replacement. And that's usually the kind of warranty you only see with more expensive premium brands. And finally, the price. My exact setup costs about $630 Australian dollar or $420 US with a discount code. Comparing the price with Moto Rackless system, which I would say is WestWind's closest competition in design, it's around $1350 for 40 liter system. As far as the cost, it's priced nicely against the competition. I'm getting a regular luggage system, 2 massive dry bags, modular design, and premium build quality for the price less than half of the Moto. That's some serious value here. This luggage system reminds me a lot of the bike sitting right there, the CFMOTO 450MT. Both are Chinese brand, both surprise me with their capability, and they both come in a lower price and deliver the value that compete directly with the big name brands. And honestly, I think that's important. Adventure riding shouldn't just be a rich man's hobby after the retirement. With gear like this, I can build my rig without blowing the budget, and still looking good when I'm on the bike. So that's my take on the WestWind Moto Enduro 40 kit. Rackless, modular, tough enough for dirt adventure, and premium in quality without the premium price tag. I'll drop a link of this luggage system down below, along with my discount code so you can grab a bargain. So if you enjoyed this review, hit the like and the subscribe button if you haven't already, and stick around for more real-world testing of the bike and the gear, also for some relaxing adventure. Alright, that's it for me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.